Hello viewers, welcome back. So in this video I will show you one Nifty stock chart for about 7 months of time. This is the hourly chart of a Nifty 50 stocks. You can see the date today, 2nd Jan, 7:15 p.m. So the purpose of this video is to update and show you how the results and profits can be made by just trading one single stock or one single index or commodity, whatever it is. By sticking to one single instrument, how much profit can be made. So here I will show you trade by trade and observe carefully. So red lines are magic levels where we get entries. Buying, selling entries can be taken at these levels. So this is the first trade where it generated by crossing the level. So here if you buy, the complete target is done here. So the gap between these two levels is nearly approximately 150 to 200 points. Okay, so it's the first trade is it has reached the complete target, and second trade, if you see, on crossing the zone all the way it went up and came back and has given the buying entry over here, and it has reached the complete target. So there were two trades which has given full profit, and another third here if you see, third trade is a good shot. It has not reached 50% but went back, and later on it has given a shot at this candle, 50% target done, and after that it was trading in the same range and it has come back. Again there was a short here on daily. See, entries will be taken basing on hourly also we can take, or basing on candle close also. So tops and bottom we can take chance at hourly. Here there was a short generated and it could not go down, and here it slipped off. So the stop loss was gone on particular day. So later on it turned negative and it has given a short here, turned positive, and another stop loss is also gone. And if you buy here strongly, and it's 50% target done, and later on range bound movement and complete target. So we lost nearly 2 trades, and we could get almost 4 trades on full target. So again there is a complete it's a perfect shot here, 50% target done. It has come back and crossed the zone, and there is a strong buy, and this is also given complete target. So after that retracement, and again there is a strong buy signal, complete target done. So if you sell it at top, and complete target was reached, and then after breaking the zone again it reversed and came back and given a chance to short here. Nearly 50% target was done at this zone, and later on so again there is a strong buy generated here, and there is a short very close to 50%, and there is a strong sell generated here. Say before closing around 3:30 it has indicated closing, weak closing. The next day if you short here, and within short span of time it has reached. It could not breach this level for about 1 to 2 days. It was just above the level, and later on after market opening itself opened gap down, and the high was exactly at the top magic level, and later on it went down straight. If you observe here, the continuous fall and the low of this candle was exactly at magic level. It took support and bounced, and later on it was trading between the level for about a few days, and it came back again just before the market close. It has ended at above the level, and again the rally started next day with a gap up, and target has reached, and later on indicated weakness, short, came down. So this is how we can catch low risk entries for a high reward. So if you observe, this is the closing on 31st December. It has closed well above the zone. Before that, for about 1 week it was struggling to cross the zone. In intraday it was making an attempt to go above the zone, but finally at market close it was trading well below and closing well below the as level. See here also market close well below the level, market close well below the level, and here also well below the zone, and here just above the zone, but next day it slipped off. So for about more than 1 week it was trading well below the zone, and 31st it turned positive. So tomorrow on 3rd Jan, if it reaches the zone, very close to the zone, very near to the zone, we can take a chance and buy here. And the first target would be 50% and second target would be this. So likewise, we can trade single script or single index or commodity or forex, anything. So within a span of 7 months, May 2021 to December 2021, the 7-month span was shown in here. I mean, within 7 months, there were about more than 15 trades were generated. The net profit was approximately 1500 plus points. So if you are if you are trading in futures, the lot size is approximately 500 to 700. Even if you count it as 500, the net profit would be 500 into 1500 points. That is approximately 7,50,000. So this is how very good money can be made using magic levels trading. So if you have any queries related to magic levels or anything, feel free to message me in Telegram or by email. And thanks for watching. Good day.